If you are finding water on the passenger side floor of your Toyota RAV4, don't assume your windshield is leaking. This tiny clogged AC drain hose is most likely the cause, and I will show you how to fix it right away. The first thing we are going to do is on the passenger side locate this panel that I'm pointing right here, and we are going to carefully pull it. It is held in place by just a couple of clips. Many people replace weather strips, door seals, or even windshields before finding this simple problem. And this happens because the AC evaporator cannot drain to the outside since the hose is clogged, and then the water will end up on the passenger floor. And this is the hose that I was talking about. After removing the carpet, you will be able to see it. Now all we have to do is remove it at both sides, but be ready to catch the water because a lot of water is gonna come out of that hose once you remove it. In my case, I already did that, so just pay attention to it. You don't wanna end up with more water on the floor. It is important that you fix this as soon as possible because what happens is that if the water stays in the carpet for weeks, that will ruin some electricals. That could happen, and also you can have some rust, and we want to avoid all that. Blow through it. Look how much water was inside. After the hose is clean, come back here. This part that has that white line goes in here. This other one, connected right in here. Make sure it's all the way. Place this back. If this kind of step-by-step repairs is helpful, I post more videos like this one on real car, real problems, no shortcuts. Subscribing just makes it easier to find the next one when you need it.